Kamsi Space.
Hello viewers, my name is Kamsi. Welcome to Kamsi Space. How are you all doing? If this is the first time in our channel, you're highly welcome and thank you so much for stopping by to watch our video. So in today's video, I and my cousins, we are all going to be making strawberry ice cream with strawberry fruits.
Keep watching.
And the ingredients we're going to use are
whipping powder and cold water. Now we're also using strawberry fruits and liquid milk. So let's get started. We're going to put the strawberry inside the blender so the blender can blend the strawberry fruits.
Viewers, these strawberry fruits are actually frozen. So if you want to use it, please put it in the freezer and leave it overnight so it will get frozen and you can then use it.
So now we are going to blend this. Add a little water. Then we close it to blend.
Easy, easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the.
We're done blending it. Next, we're going to mix the whipping powder. Put it in a bowl. Now, add a cup of cold water.
Right now,
Now we're going to use the mixer to mix the whipping powder and cold water. Please Kamsi help us.
okay.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond no.
Hope you're watching the viewers. Keep watching.
Easy on our tiptoes, undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond no.
We're done mixing the whipping powder to the cold water. Now we add the liquid milk. We're going to mix it.
And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within.
Now we're going to pour the blended strawberry fruits. Hey, I've already got it. So we have to get it now. That looks like tomato sauce. That looks like strawberry. And it looks like. What do you even this already? That's what happens if you don't bring your hand. You can ask clothes. And you can ask mouth. And you didn't know that. Am I pudding. Can I lick? Can I lick the blade?
Don't lick any blade.
Strawberry ice cream! Now we're going to put it in these containers.
Yeah.
Didn't want it any other way. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other.
Now putting the strawberry ice cream in the container. Hope you got step by step on how to make strawberry ice cream. This is yummy! Yay! Now we are going to put the strawberry ice cream in the freezer
And you leave it for 7 hours
or
or
overnight.
Yeah, my viewers, I hope you enjoyed this video very much. Did you see how easy it is to make the strawberry ice cream with strawberry fruits? Please, if you love this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, like and share.
Share to your family, share to your friends.
Remember to leave the bell icon on, notified whenever we post a new video on Kamsi Space. Thank you so much for watching.
Bye! Mwah! Mwah!